Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
National Vice President kaseng NPP uba Prestone tensong habakran bikilat pathai kubor menta kasing kasaw tarik ulaber arjar arpulai uloong bo ulat jong ka jela unsa pensmai gi MLA Thymmai sya ka yung dor par thawan ka jela ha ka hnyo tarik ulaber arhajar arpulai nakalyang uba Prestone la pentep ru bakila dep an phapet parman ba ha kini gisngi banwan naka benta ka hnyo tarik khnang bakanum dan kanu ka jingja ka basngusi Shu ba Prestone la Kyrpad gi Paidbah bikin wan shakman ban Ïatreilang ba ka Sorkar ba Thymmai khnang bagi kam ki jam kin long gi ba Ïatreilang.
See, on the 7th, most likely, our Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Union Home Minister, they'll be also attending the swearing in ceremony on the 7th. They guide Vajia, again the swearing in. Then Governor will say that, okay, you have to prove your trust, the confidence, majority. That automatically we will do it in the House. And then even budget session will start. So that is the procedure where we do it.
Sir, just one question.
Kebangsaan required number. Karena required number, naman mentakah the house the strength of kadon 59. It's only 59. So you need 30. Very clear. Let me tell you, we have already instructed the police force to make sure that law and order is maintained at any cost, especially before the swearing in ceremony, which is going to be held on the 7th of this month in the morning time. So this is my appeal to all the concerned, to all the political parties. Let us work together. Well, people has already elected you. No matter you will be in the opposition or you will be in the government, but we will work together for the betterment of our state here in Ïatreilang.